Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Neha. कैसे हो आप सब? Nykaa sale is already live and I have some good recommendations for you under rupees 500 only, and it will include hair care, skin care, body care and makeup, and I will show all the prices on the screen and all the links will be in the description box. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. First, I will start with the hair care, and you already know that winters have already arrived, and we have a very common problem related to hair, that is dandruff. And for dandruff, I have two amazing recommendations for you under rupees 500 only. The first one is Scalpe Pro 3-way action anti-dandruff shampoo. You will feel the difference within one use only. Yes, trust me, and this is so affordable. All in all, I would say this can be a good investment when it comes to dandruff problem. If you have really dry scalp, might be you will not like it, but normal and oily scalp people will love it. I do have another recommendation for you as well for all hair type, that is from the brand Be Body Wise. So this is Be Body Wise 1% ketoconazole dandruff shampoo, which relieves itchiness, reduce visible flaking, prevent dandruff reoccurrence. Reoccurrence को भी treat करता है, वैसे तो वो भी करता है, but this is also a good and very delicate shampoo. It also comes with pre-applying solution that is not available on the Nykaa, but I will provide the link of that as well. They both work amazing, but even if you apply it alone, that will also work. I do have other bottle of this with me as well. In winters, everyone needs anti-dandruff shampoos, so I think this would be a good recommendation. My next recommendation is from the brand Pilgrim. This is Pilgrim Redensil and again hair fall control conditioner with Korean black rice, sulfate and paraben free, and it is suitable to all hair types. Trust me, this can beat many high-end conditioners, and it is just rupees 350 or 400. This will make your hair smooth and silky, and it does help in controlling hair fall also. When you will apply it now, you will feel कि जो आपके बाल है ना वो कम उतर रहे हैं. जब हम जनरली कंडीशनर्स को अप्लाई करते हैं तो बाल बहुत ज्यादा लूज होते हैं while washing them, but it is not the same with this conditioner. This works amazing, so that's why I really want to recommend this one. Another recommendation in the category of the hair care, I would like to recommend this Malic Bond Repair Complex 0.5%. Might be it can be annoying to some people because of its fragrance, or you can say smell, but trust me, it works amazing. It does repair your hair. मैं इसको continuously use करती हूँ. I have another backup with me as well. If you're a person who uses many hair gadgets like us, you do straightening and curling and anything like that, you can definitely check out this one. This gonna help you with your hair repair process. I also want to recommend this Earth Rhythm bar. You won't feel like you have applied some kind of bar on your hair. It is so earthy product, and when there are days I feel like I want to clean my scalp thoroughly, so I just switch to this bar, and trust me, this is superb. सुपर्ब वन. और सर्दियों में तो यार वैसे भी आपका स्कैल्प जो होता है ना बहुत ज्यादा ना गंदा लगना शुरू हो जाता है जल्दी, बिकॉज ऑफ द ड्राइनेस, फ्लेकीनेस एंड ऑल. In that case, you can definitely check out this one. This gonna help you get rid of every kind of gandagi on your scalp. So in that case, you can definitely check out this one. Last but not the least, this is Tresemme Gloss Ultimate with Macadamian Oil Ultra Shine Hair Serum. Heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius. But make sure to apply it on the damp hair, then it works more better as compared to when you apply it on the dry hair. It will make your hair glossier, shinier instantly, and you gonna love this. Even I have reviewed this one on my channel. You can definitely check this out if you want to get in detail, but I would say this is a good investment and can be purchased in this sale. In the next category, I will include body care and skin care. In body care, I would like to recommend this one, Earth Rhythm Buttercream Soap Sweet Pea Sweet Almond Oil. Its packaging is superb, its texture is superb. The main thing which I really like about this, you really need to apply very tiniest amount and it will spread all over your body, and it smells heavenly, and you can reuse this bottle as well. So that's why I really want to recommend this. This is super body wash बोल सकते हो, body cream soap बोल सकते हो, anything you want to, but this is good one. The next one everyone recommends, so I also want to recommend it, Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I have oatmeal and calendula oil variant with me. The one thing which I really like about this exfoliator is that again you need really small amount and it spreads heavenly on your body. Most of the time when we exfoliate on the body, the exfoliators are quite harsh, but when it comes to this one this is superbly gentle and it provides you smooth skin within one wash. So I would say you can definitely check out this one as well. Now let's talk about the face wash. I would like to recommend two face wash under rupees 500. I do have another good recommendations with me yaar, but वो 500 से ऊपर हैं, तो there is no sense including them in this video. But one which I would really like to recommend, if if you have oily acne prone skin, Pilgrim Tea Tree Purifying Foaming Face Wash with salicylic acid and Cica, acne and blemish prone skin, it works magically. Within 2 days you will notice a significant difference in your pimples. And if you're a person जिसको टी ट्री बहुत ज्यादा सूट करता है like me, then this would be a good investment for you. Super. I have combination acne prone sensitive skin, but in winter my skin turns to normal mode. So in that situation, I would like to recommend this one, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin, and it cleanses your face very nicely. If you use chemical exfoliations and any kind of acids on your face, in that case, this kind of gentle cleansers are amazing because they do not rip off your skin and they don't make your skin more dry. So in that case, you can definitely check out this one. Both are superb cleansers. But now let's come to the main skincare. The first product which I would like to recommend you is this Bioderma Sensiboy S2O Micellar Water Makeup Remover. If I would have choice for my whole life, I would pick this one only because this is so gentle. Even if you put this in your eyes गलती से ना तब भी आपकी आंखें जलती नहीं है. And it removes makeup up to 95%, I would say. 5% रह जाता है, कुछ इधर रह गया, कुछ इधर रह गया. तो otherwise it works amazing. And if you're a person like me जिसको acne होते हैं, sensitive skin भी है, तो आप इसको definitely check out कर सकते हो because it is super. Acne prone people generally suffer from pimples on daily basis. In that case, we really need something which soothes our pimple and calms down our skin and as well as work on pimples. So in that case, you can definitely check out this one. This is Earth Rhythm Phyto or Phyto, I don't know, Phyto Gel with Centella and Sciatica and horsetail extract, calming, soothing, hydrating fluid for acne prone and sensitive skin. Trust me, इसका fragrance इतना अच्छा है. कुछ पोलो वोलो खाते हैं तो उसका जो fragrance आता है ना गले में ठंडा ठंडा, this is the same and it is so soothing, so calming. Regularly use it for a week and you will see a noticeable difference in your pimples, and it will also soothe your skins instantly. Packaging is superb. I simply love this product, so definitely recommend this one. The next serum which everyone recommends, so do I, because this is something which I restock every time, even I'm affiliate with them. And this is Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 10% Serum Clarity Boost. This is a serum which is like part and parcel of my life right now. But make sure if you're new to the skincare, then go for the 5% one. Otherwise, you can definitely start with this one directly if you're already using niacinamide from a year, I would say. I know that this is Chotusa packaging, but I do have big size inside. I just want to finish it up first. I would say it does clears your skin, it soothes your skin, and it brightens up your skin and controls sebum production superbly. Even if you are acne prone skin people, go for this one. You're gonna love it. But make sure start with the 5% if you are new to the niacinamide. And if you get it more cheaper on Plum side, go over there. I do have a coupon code with me that I will reflect on the screen. You will get 10% flat discount, additional 10% फ्लैट डिस्काउंट जो लगा होगा डिस्काउंट साइट के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर भी 10% डिस्काउंट आपको मिल जाएगा एनी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द प्लम. ठीक है, तो आपको जहां से सस्ता मिलता है आप इसको ले लीजिए. आई एम अ पर्सन ऑफ पिंपल्स, सेंसिटिव स्किन है मेरा, सीबम का प्रोडक्शन रहता है. I really want something which controls my sebum. Sometimes I use this serum, sometimes I really want to use only cream. So in that case, I would recommend Plum 2% rice water and niacinamide clear moisture gel creme. It fades blemishes, regulates sebum overproduction, and trust me, this is what you need for your sebum production. And as you can see, it is almost finished. I do have backup with me. सेल में सस्ता मिलता है, go and get it. अगर प्लम की साइड में मिलता है तो आप चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा और कोड लगा लीजिएगा. आप भी ऑयली स्किन वाले हैं, कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन वाले हैं, नॉर्मल स्किन वाले हैं, तो इसको एक बार चेकआउट जरूर कीजिए. यू गोना लव दिस क्रीम. You really need to apply very tiniest amount and spread it all over your face and sleep. And within 2 to 3 days, you will see significant reduction in your sebum production. Another one is also related to acne prone skin, and this is a Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a boon for my skin. Being a creator, I have so many options with me at my home. So हम भी confuse होते हैं. And when I get confused so much, even if some product is working on my skin, but sometimes I get confused, then in that case, I switch to this combo. Plum rice and niacinamide serum and green tea night gel. They both work amazing, and within 2 to 3 days you can feel the difference on your skin. Even if on your regular basis you can combine this combo and get results on your skin. ये आपकी स्किन को ब्राइटन अप भी करेगा, एक्नेस के ऊपर भी काम करेगा एंड सेबम को भी कंट्रोल करेगा. I think this also has glycolic acid in it, so that's why it also exfoliate your skin and also works on your pimples. So this is my next recommendation. I I do have one another recommendation for you that is related to ultra light moisturizer. अगर आपको एक ऐसा मॉइस्चराइजर चाहिए जेल भी ना हो और क्रीम भी ना हो, एक मिड में कुछ हो, then you can go for this one. Quench Ultra Light Gel Moisturizer with cherry blossom radiance brightens and nourishes skin. This is so lightweight. Whenever it touches your skin, ना it converts into water. I don't know how, but उतना ही hydration provide करता है जितना एक normal combination oily skin को चाहिए. Dry skin people will not like it. If you're looking for something like this, then go for this one. The next moisturizer is my favorite, you can say, among all. This is a Foxtail Ceramide Super Creme Hydrating Moisturizer and it is suitable to all skin types. I would say all skin type people will love it. ये super moisturizer है. It soothes your skin, calms your skin, repairs your damaged skin barrier as well. In winter season, dry skin people will not be liking it much because it is hydrating but not at that much hydrating कि dry skin वालों को बहुत अच्छा लगे. Other than that, oily combination normal skin वालों को ये बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. Even I reviewed this on my channel. इसका feel, इसका texture, इसका सब कुछ ही मुझे पसंद है. It is just a simple hydrating moisturizer, you can say. And if you're looking for something gentle on your skin, then go for this one. And I do have one recommendation for dry skin people. Go blindly for this one. This is Dot & Key Probiotic Moisturizer. Dry to very dry sensitive skin. ये fragrance free है. दिस इज अमेजिंग. आई वुड से दैट किसी भी और ब्रांड ने ऐसा मॉइस्चराइजर अभी तक नहीं बनाया है जो इतना सूदिंग है, इतना कामिंग है, रिपेयर्स योर स्किन विद इन अ नाइट. ट्रस्ट मी, विद इन अ नाइट. दिस इज अ boon for dry skin people, even a normal skin people in winters. Being a combination skin person, I have this and this is almost finished. So you can imagine that how much beautiful this moisturizer is. Dry skin people go for this one without having a single thought, and it is so affordable. One sunscreen which I really want to recommend, only one, that is Fix Derma Shadow SPF 50 plus cream PA+++. जीरो व्हाइट कास्ट क्या होता है, इस सनस्क्रीन को अप्लाई करने के बाद आपको पता चलता है. जितने भी सनस्क्रीन है मेरे पास उन सब में से ये बेस्ट है. You gonna love this one. Zero white cast, super protection, super lightweight and gets into your skin within 4 to 5 seconds. सूप करके चला जाता है स्किन के अंदर and super. Very good, very good. I also want to recommend this comb if you want to have sleek buns and sleek ponytails in from the front part, then go for this one. And it is just rupees 200. You will hardly need any other comb when it comes to the sleek buns. It is superb. It works amazing. I also want to recommend this lip balm because it comes with the peptides, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and SPF 30 protection. And trust me, it gives you glazed lips within one swipe. Even right now, I applied this one only, and you can see it looks like I applied some kind of lip gloss, but it's not. It is just this lip balm only, and it smells heavenly. Vanilla ka taste aata hai yaar pura. I don't mind that. Its texture is so smooth and not very thick and not very thin, somewhere in between. So I really like this one. If you want to have products on more cheaper rates, then go on their website and use this code. You will get flat 15% discount on all the products. When it comes to the makeup, there are lots of recommendations with me, but I will recommend you some very good things under rupees 500. The first one I would like to recommend is this Mass Cosmetics BB Cream Skin Perfecting Color Correcting. This is a kind of tone, but I would say this is the one product. If you don't like foundation and you don't even want to have very light coverage, then go for this one. It is somewhere in between and you're gonna really like this. And superb, it will suitable to all skin types क्योंकि इसका टेक्सचर ही बहुत अच्छा है. So definitely recommend this one. And if you are normal to oily skin people, then definitely go for this foundation. I really like this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me one, because I think if you're college going girl and if you have normal to oily skin and college going girl, then this foundation can be a good friend because it is so lightweight, it doesn't transfer and it gives you very natural finish as well. इसका जो coverage है वो ऐसा है कि लगता भी नहीं है कि फाउंडेशन लगाया है, but it gives you very good coverage as well. So that's why I really want to recommend this one. This Dot & Key Strawberry Dewy Tinted Sunscreen Daily Wear with SPF 50 plus 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 plus. This is something which I use on daily basis these days because it gives you a very nice dewiness and a very little coverage, but that is the coverage everyone wants to have. जो इसका आफ्टर इफेक्ट है वो ऐसा है कि सबको ही अच्छा लगता है. ग्लो के साथ साथ प्रोटेक्शन भी दे तो सबको चाहिए ना. So in that case I would really recommend this one. And superb, superb. If you want to have full coverage concealer under rupees 250, then go for this one, Mars Cancel Concealer. This is insanely high coverage, instantly transfer होने वाला नहीं है, काफी हद तक it is self settling, and I would say it provides you superb coverage, and at such affordable price you can definitely get this one. But I would say go for one shade light because it does oxidize little bit, so that's why. Other than that, इसमें कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है. It is super when it comes to the performance and when it comes to the coverage. These two mascaras which everyone should have in their vanity. The first one is a Swiss Beauty Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara. अभी भी मैंने यही लगाया हुआ है. Even I noticed one thing that when it comes to such kind of mascaras, the application matters a lot. एक में आपको लग रहा होगा कि बहुत bushy है और दूसरे में आपको लग रहा हो कि बहुत thick है. But I use the same mascara. The main thing is that if you want to have bushy kind of effect, then clean it properly before applying. If you want to have heavy look or थोड़ी thick वाली, then don't swipe off excess product. When it comes to the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, waterproof होने के बावजूद भी ना अगर आप इसको gently rub करते हो ना तो ये easily remove हो जाता है. This is what I really like about this mascara, and it does provide you volume and length. But definitely go for this one. It is super mascara. But in case if you don't want to spend much money, then this would work same. Trust me, this would work same. But हाँ ये waterproof नहीं है. But some people don't like waterproof mascara. If you're a person like me, then go for this one. This Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera Vitamin E. This is the makeup fixer which beats many high-end makeup fixers. It like intact your makeup for quite long time. But इसका smell बहुत गंदा है, लेकिन इसका performance बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत affordable है. It provides you dewy effect, plus it locks your makeup for quite long time. So at such affordable price, go for this one. और इसका spray bottle भी बहुत अच्छा है. If you're looking for eyebrow palette like जिसमें gel भी हो और अच्छे colors भी हो, then you can try this one. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty. Again, आप इसके हालत से देख सकते हो कि मैंने इसको कितना ज़्यादा use किया है. This is a shade 02 and this is something which works super. अभी भी यही लगा रखी है मैंने आंखों के ऊपर. You also get gel in this जो कि almost finish हो ही चुका है. It stays on your eyebrows for quite long time, and I must say this is a good one to invest in. One such affordable loose powder I came across from the brand Inside Cosmetics Banana Loose Powder. Just try it once. It brightens up your face instantly. Yes. And its texture is very light, not very heavy. It works like high and loose powder. So that's why. And sabse achhi baat, it brightens up your skin instantly and performs really good. So if you're looking for something affordable loose powder, then go for this one. And one nude shade from the brand Pro Arte that is on the top. I think this is a perfect nude color. It retails under 350 rupees only. It's not very drying on your lips, but its pigment is superb. So that's why I really want to recommend this one. If you like nude kind of shades a lot, and even if you mix it with some other colors, it performs quite good. So that's why I want to recommend this one. And last but not least, I want to recommend Sugar I Told You So Smudge Proof Eyeliner. इसका applicator इतना अच्छा है that it provides you precision. आप जैसा भी eyeliner लगाना चाहते हो ना, it will give you control. Its brush is superb. I must say, it stays superb. Its pigmentation is superb. So that's why I really want to recommend this one because I most of the time use this one only. So this is what I just want to recommend in this video. All the links will be in the description box. So, and thank you so much for watching.